effect until 6 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Wednesday. The wind advisory is no longer in effect. Locations: Northern Connecticut, Massachusetts, and Rhode Island. Hazards: strong damaging winds through early hours of Wednesday morning. Winds south 25 to 35 miles per hour with gusts between 45 and 55 miles per hour. Timing: the strongest winds will occur across interior southern New England between 8 p.m. and midnight. The strongest wind will occur across the coastal plain between 10 p.m. and 3 a.m. Impacts: strong winds will combine with heavy rain to result in some tree damage and scattered power outages. The heavy rain coupled with fully leafed trees will result in more damage than is normally associated with these wind speeds. Therefore, we have upgraded to a